Hello everyone, Namaste. Today I could not control myself not to tell few things about Tirumala. I want to share with you all my own experience. I went Tirumala 10 years back. Climbed a mountain. It was unforgettable experience. Walking by road almost 8 kilometers, climbing mountain around 4000 steps approximately, and it takes nearly 4 to 6 hours to reach top. Mokalu Metalu was the hardest part. In Tirumala Hills, so many places are there to see, like Padmavati Temple, Srivari Padalu, Chakratirtham, Shilatoranam, so many are there. Our climb took 5 hours to reach top and we immediately went for Darshanam. But I was not satisfied. Again, I went with friends, wanted to explore Tirumala Hills. We went for early morning darshanam at 3 a.m. I did Urulu Seve without my conscience because I don't believe all those things, but I don't know how I did, but I did Urulu Seve. I was not myself, I was in some kind of trance. After that Swami Vari Darshanam, really it was like a divine feeling. I can't put in words to explain. So beautiful, so calm, so bright, and you will get positive vibration and you will not get satisfaction, so you wanted to go again and again. That's how it feels. Tirupati Laddu, nothing can match it. And you all know history about Tirumala. I don't want to explain here. I will write in description box. Some myths are facts. I don't know what to tell, but I want to share with you, like water flows beneath the Swami idol. When we touch the Murti, feels like human body, not like a stone. I don't know how far it is true, but one thing for sure, this temple is ultimate heaven. So do check description, read. I will write history and some unknown facts. Okay? Thank you guys for listening. Namaste.